Hi everybody, it's Nancy Kay and thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to show you the tool I used to make this snap fastener closure on this project. You're going to need a special tool and these plastic fasteners. And in order to do something like this, you're going to need 4 pieces. You need 2 caps and then these other 2 pieces that I think are known as sprockets and studs. I think that's what they're called, but don't hold me to that. Now, I got this set on Amazon. It's a plastic snap fastener system from this company. I think that's pronounced Lee Howell, but don't hold me to that. And it comes with everything you need here. It included the pliers. And let me show you what's in here. It's a nice little tray. I've got all these colors, and there's enough of these sets to make 15 of each color, so that's a great selection. In addition, there's some other things here, and I have some spare parts here. You've got this spare metal rod and extra plastic things that go in here. You've got a couple of these extra plastic pieces here, and I'll show you why that's important in a second. A nice set of tweezers and all, because you're going to have to punch a hole in your paper or fabric to start with, and a little screwdriver. And you need the screwdriver if you're going to replace either one of these things. You just unscrew here and here. Now, let me explain to you about the sizes of these things. The size I have here is a size 20. It's also known as a T5, and it's the most widely used size here, and they're about a ½ inch. And let's see if I can show you in here. These fit nicely into this black piece. You can see that clearly. And if you get a smaller size, you'll need to use this smaller piece that's included in that whole package. So let me show you what a smaller piece was. These are all T5s, or what's known as size 20 in the big box I got. So I went online and I got another pack. This is from a different company called KAM, K-A-M, and these are size 16. And as you can see here, the size 16 is just a little bit smaller there. So depending on what your project is, you might want to go with a size 16 instead of a size 20. And the 16, see if I can grab that, will fit into this smaller black piece right in here very nicely. So let me show you how I did this here. As you can see here, I had my project where I needed both pieces. So I just got a little practice piece here for you. And I'm folding this over, and I want to use my awl and poke a hole to get started. But I took a little piece of fun foam that I wanted to protect the back of my paper here, and just poke a hole in that. And there you go. Now, to start with the cap, you put your cap in there, and since this is the front, I'm going to put my front in there. And then we'll take one of these other pieces. It doesn't matter which one you start with. Either one is fine. If I can get that in there. And then you put this whole thing set it in there and squeeze, and that's one set. And then you do the other side. Now this is going to fold over like this, see? So I want my cap here to be in the back. So again, I'll just put this in there. Plug that in my pliers. Get it all set up. Give it a good squeeze. And it's done. And now I have, that's all snapped in together. That's all there is to it. I hope this helps you make a decision whether or not you want to buy something like this. I hope you'll consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks and have a great day.